Meet the 2025 Scania R100 V8, the most advanced truck ever built. With a 770 HP hydrogen hybrid engine, self-driving tech, and a cab that feels like a spaceship, this beast isn't just raising the bar, it's rewriting the rules. Buckle up, SpeedScouts, we're going deep. Europe's trucking industry is about to get a seismic shock. Scania's new R100 V8 isn't just a truck, it's a revolution on wheels. Today, we're breaking down why this machine is leaving competitors in the dust. 1. Design. Aero meets aggression, sleek and futuristic. Inspired by hypercars, the R100's 0.28 drag coefficient, best in class, cuts fuel use by 15%. Showroom queen, glossy red paint, LED light strips, and a cab 20% larger than previous models. 2. Powerhouse performance, 770 HP V8 engine. Twin-turbo hydrogen hybrid system delivers 3,700 Nm torque, 30% more than Volvo FH16, 0-60 mph in 12 seconds. Unheard of for a 40-ton truck, thanks to electric boost mode. 3. Tech that feels like Sky-Fi Level 4 autonomy. Hands-free highway driving with AI that learns routes, approved in Germany/Sweden. Holographic dashboard. R displays navigation, cargo temps, and driver vitals. 4. Green Giant hydrogen fuel cell. 1,000 kilometers range on H2, zero emissions. Solar roof. Adds 50 kilometers/day from sunlight alone. 5. Why America can't have it, yet regulatory hurdles. US NHTSA bans Level 4 autonomy until 2026. Cab over stigma. R100's design clashes with America's long nose obsession. 6. Driver's paradise luxury cab. Twin beds, mini kitchen, and noise-canceling walls. Gamer chairs. Ergonomic seats with massage/heating for 14-hour shifts. The R100 isn't just a truck, it's a wake-up call. Drop a comment. Should the US bend its rules for this beast? Smash subscribe. We're testing Mercedes' electric juggernaut next.